What's your guys' names?
Shanice. Andrea. And we're from Leicester.
You guys are twins?
Yeah.
Okay, who's older?
Me, of course.
You know what's so beautiful to see you guys like crying with joy and you guys hugging each other like for support? It makes me like wish I was a twin.
You've got me.
Oh my God, this is my first time meeting famous people. It's such a dream.
I'm so annoyed at myself, but you absolutely knocked it out the park.
You guys got 3 turns.
3. Wow. 3.
We have to pitch.
We've got to pitch. The reason I didn't turn sooner was because I was enjoying it so much.
Oh, thank you.
Brilliant song choice. Your harmonies were on point. I loved your attention to detail, your outfits, your hair. You've thought this through. I think you've got a huge future, and I think you should totally be on Team Ronan.
I just want to be a part of the energy that you guys have. You come out, you're like, I got a fairy! You guys are the energy that needs to be on Team Danny.
I would love for you guys to be on my team. I think you guys are amazing. I love how you guys harmonize. I love how you guys trust one another. Coming on Team Will, we could have awesome fun.
Thank you very much.
This is the tricky part. You've got to decide which coach.
Could we have a moment, please?
Hey, you
Yes,
can have a
have a
moment.
moment.
Oh, I love it!
I feel like we're on Dragon's Den.
Yeah.
What was your turnover of the last year?
Okay. We've got a few questions, right? Any of the twins in the show will you keep us? Yes.
I have to say yes.
Okay. Danny, will you guide us all the way?
I'm like sat nav. Type in a destination. I'll take you there.
Will I dogs or cats?
What does dogs and cats have to do? When you... It would be cats.
Okay, I think we made a decision. So, the person we're gonna choose is...
You guys look exactly the same.
I think we're gonna go with Will.
Okay, well done.
Yo, it's Team Will. Yes, woke up this morning to somebody judging me. No surprise they judging me. I don't know who I'm supposed to be. I'm just acting up and rashes, hiding never staying sorry. Found it in the end that I can only do it for me. Yeah. You call it sensitive and I call it 'Cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky.